Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this, yes, huge box. In this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Anfar or Anfar London. They are another UAE, United Arab Emirates based fragrance companies, and they make very good, amazing fragrances, especially for the price. I have at least 5 or 6 fragrances from them unboxed, reviewed, and they all impressed me, especially for the price again. And when I saw this beauty for under 15 quid, are you mad? Look at the box. That's a huge box. It's quite heavy. It's like a cardboardy, woody. So anyway, when I saw this, I said, what? For under 15 quid, are you joking me? And it says Anfar, and it says Touchwood. So this is Touchwood by Anfar, and it's 100 ml eau de Perfume. And look at this, just massive box. Just a box itself are just impressive, you know what I mean? Forget everything else. Super impressive. And let's go. So but before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your motivation would take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you for your support, and let's go. So amazing box. Look at this, massive, huge box, very heavy. It's about 2-3 kilos itself, and it's just it says here the information, and it says Anfar Touchwood Eau de Perfume 100 ml, 80 volume, which is and it says made in UAE, which is like 20% oil and the rest are carriers, and mostly are likely to be alcohol. Yeah, alcohol as well. And let's go. So I'm so excited. Wow, look at this. Can you believe this presentation for under, say, £20 in United Kingdom? Yeah, in United Kingdom you can find under £20. In other places maybe different prices. You have to Google it, you have to search it in your area. I know how much it goes for in my area because I bought it, I paid for it. So let's see how it goes. Anyway, so look at that beautiful box. The presentation is amazing, and the bottle itself is gorgeous. Look at that, it's wood. It's a wooden bottle. Wow, that is impressive. So it says Touchwood, Touchwood presents the finest Arabian oud created extremely for oud lovers who believe in class, style, and royal touch. I can't believe it. Under 20 quid. I paid 15 quid for this. And it's embossed and everything. Look at that. It just looks gorgeous. It's just, I'm speechless. How do they make money out of this? Anyway, it's good for us consumers. Here we go. So, let's see. How is the atomizer? Very good atomizer. Fantastic. Okay, so Oud Touch by Anfar London, under 20 quid. Wow. Here we go. First sniff, first impression. Ooh, beauty, gorgeous. So you're getting a fantastic presentation anyway, but you're getting a fantastic juice. By the way, there's no information about it anyway, so I'm just going by my nose, by my experience. Okay, wow. Ooh, it's green, it's semi-fresh, but it's not fresh. It's very woody, and I can smell something very aromatic, most likely to be lavender. Huge lavender in here. Yeah, massive lavender. So the lavender is big. This is about powdery. very woody in the base, but it's not wood. I'm guessing something like gaiac wood, maybe cedar, combination of gaiac wood, cedar, but it is not super heavy wood, but it's very, very woody, don't get me wrong. Yeah, very woody, but not wood. I don't get any wood in here. Beautiful, what a gorgeous smell. I'm getting lots of spices, but the spices here again, they are quite on the lighter side of spices. Cinnamon, little bit of cumin maybe, little bit of nutmeg, so it's quite spicy as well. What a gorgeous smell, what a presentation. Under 15 quid. This is madness, oh my god. How do they make money? It's good for us consumer. I'm very happy to pay that much. But look at it. It smells like 100 plus. It looks like 100 plus. What else shall I say? End of story. Go. I never recommend blind buy, but to me this is just complete madness. I don't understand at all, but it's good for us. Look at this. Just gorgeousness. Mamma mia. Anyway, so the smell is amazing. It's very unisex to my nose. Even though it's quite woody, it's very spicy, it's quite aromatic. There's a lot of floral in there as well. Yeah, the florals are mainly aromatic florals like violet, maybe lavender, maybe a little bit of white florals in there as well. But it's not a biggest player. The biggest players are woods and the spices. The lavender is quite big as well because it's giving it that aromaticness, and there's a citrus, but it's got lost in there. It's that touch of citrus, maybe bergamot and lemon, and that's it. But what a beauty! It got a little bit of a leathery feel to it as well. Yeah, a little bit of leathery feel, little bit of smokiness to it as well. Tiny bit of powderiness, tiny bit of smokiness. Spicy. Wow, what a complex fragrance. Yeah, beauty. It's got a greenness to it as well, so it's green, it's leafy, it's green, it's aromatic, it's spicy, it's woody, it's a little bit of citrus, it's floral, it's aromatic. Wow, what a smell. It reminds me little bit, it's not a copy or anything like that, but it reminds me a little bit of what's his name, Rasasi Shura. It's in that vein, okay? Actually, I got Rasasi Shura here somewhere. Where are you? So this is Rasasi Shura. Let's see. Let me settle down a little bit. Yeah, maybe about 50-60% similarity, but not 100%. But it is in that category, so it is quite leafy, earthy, little bit of spiciness. But this one is, the Shura is a different league. This one is like daddy, and this is like the son, you know what I mean? So this is more experienced, this is more what do you call it, the more mature person, and this is a younger, less experienced, but it's got the DNA of the father, okay? Yeah, similarity but not same, maybe 50% similarities. Okay, alright, next video I'll let you know the longevity, the development, if they are very close and things like that. But for first impression, what can I say? Look at presentation, smells good, quality is amazing, and for under 20 quid, this is to me a no-brainer. I'll give it 2 thumbs up, yes, yes, yes. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. As always, don't forget to hit those buttons. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world, they are amazing value for money, super natural, very long lasting, amazing fragrances, very artistic, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the links in the description as well, and I see you later. Thank you. Bye bye bye.